Vanakkam friends. Now we are going to discuss about the forecast of Bank Nifty for the upcoming week, which is 20th to 24th December. Nifty at least was way above the 200 SMA. Bank Nifty has closed below the 200 SMA on Friday. It is a very bad signal and it is a very critical day on Monday for Bank Nifty. If Monday again Bank Nifty closes below 200 SMA, then officially bears will comes into picture, so that none of the up move will sustain in Bank Nifty for next couple of days. So Monday, forget about Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it closes below 200 SMA, please avoid longs in Bank Nifty for next couple of days until it comes back and closes above 200 SMA. This maroon line is the 200 SMA. The value would be 35,700 odd levels, 750 odd levels. Let me check here. So 35,750. Make it as 35,770. Okay. If Bank Nifty closes below 35,770 on Monday, forget about taking any longs in Bank Nifty for next couple of days until and otherwise it comes back and closes above the 200 SMA. So please stay cautious. It is already the weakest index and it is getting more weaker and weaker now. Okay. The supports are the ones which I have marked on the right side. This previous swing low will be the immediate support, that is 35,328. Okay, this area 35,328 will be the immediate support, and thereafter if this particular support is broken, there are easy possibilities of a slide of another 600 points, which means 34,820 levels will be easily seen in Bank Nifty. We all know about the momentum in Bank Nifty. Whichever direction it gains momentum, it will either fall like anything or rise like anything. Now it is the time to fall. The time has already come and it is given a clear signal that I am going to go down. Until and otherwise there is a close above 200 SMA, we should not create any longs over here. The only grace period will be on Monday. Okay. On the higher side, this particular area will be a very difficult task, which is 1000 points from here, 36,548, almost the high of Friday. Only if we are able to cross this particular level, we can see further up move. Even if we cross this level, a clear buy signal will come only if this falling trend line, the trend line which I have drawn by connecting this particular high and the recent high made, if we are able to cross this trend line, be it over here or here or here, only if when we are able to cross this falling trend line, we can say that Bank Nifty is set for a up move again. Until then, any up move will get sold into, especially on Bank Nifty, and almost a stock specific also. Most of the individual stocks of Bank Nifty are set to break their key support zones. Axis already broke some 700 levels. Same way ICICI is in verge of breaking down below 710. HDFC Bank already broke 1500. Kotak has also broken 1800 once, and it is staying exactly on verge of giving another breakdown. IndusInd Bank has gone below 900. State Bank, our 45-95 James plays very well, and he is also set for a drop down till 45 545, sorry, yeah, 5 445. Yeah, give me a minute, I will check where SBI is. Yeah, 467 at present. Until he stays below 95 odd levels, he is supposed to touch the 45 levels. 45 in the sense 445 we are expected to touch in next couple of days. So everything gives a breakdown. Hence, do not play in Bank Nifty on one side, like taking a plain vanilla call on the higher side. Try to hedge it on both sides, because the move will be big on any direction. At least the put option which we are taking could save us from the huge losses. Okay, on Bank Nifty part, this is the one which I am trying to suggest. Once again, it is a straddle on Bank Nifty, 36,000 call and 35,500 put. The combined premium put together is now around 550 zones. Monday, if we are seeing the combined premium below 430 440, both the premium put together should be below 430 or 450, maximum 450, because the one sided target which I am expecting is only till 750. So if we are having a, I mean, getting this straddle between 430 to 450 levels, it is an ideal one to take. If the premiums are very high and it is not coming below 450, means please do not take, just observe it, that is more than enough. It is not necessary to trade compulsorily on every day. Whenever we get an opportunity, we can take a trade and make money. If only my level comes, you can take, or else you need not take. Okay, once again suggesting, these are the levels which we are supposed to have in our mind: 35,338, sorry, 338 and 34,820. Hope this is clear for everyone. Let us see how it goes during the course of the days in the upcoming week. We will meet again next week for the forecast of that particular week. The only thing I am trying to suggest you for every one of you is try to be cautious, and the volumes will be little less during next 2 weeks, just because of the festivals, Christmas and New Year in western part of the world. Most of the FIIs will not be participating in markets. When there is very less participation from FIIs, obviously the volumes will be low, hence trade very cautiously. We'll meet again next week. Have a good day. See you all. Bye.